Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming your Android version and having any network passwords handy. This avoids surprises. Open Settings, then Network and Internet or Connections depending on your phone. Once there, tap Wi-Fi to select the network you're on or scroll to Private DNS if present. Make sure you're on the network you want to change. Changing DNS for the active connection guarantees immediate testing. From here, you'll either edit the Wi-Fi network or access the private DNS field to enter custom values. Once done opening the network, tap the Wi-Fi network name and choose Edit or Advanced Options. Then change IP settings from DHCP to static to reveal DNS fields. You'll enter DNS1 and DNS2 with the numeric addresses such as 1, 1, 1, 1 and 8, 8, 8, 8. Alternatively, make sure to set private DNS mode to private DNS provider hostname and type a resolver hostname like DNS. Google. Save your changes. This directs DNS queries to the provider you chose. To finish, reconnect to Wi-Fi and clear your browser cache so DNS results aren't cached. Then visit a few sites to confirm faster or different resolution. You can verify with a lookup app or a ping/diagnostic tool to confirm the resolver IP matches your chosen DNS. If pages do not load, make sure the hostname or IPs are correct. Disable any VPN or firewall that might override DNS and try rebooting the phone. If issues persist, switch back and try a different public DNS provider temporarily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.